was feeding him some bananas. He probably still hungry. I think they're like a little baby though. You could tell by how it sing. But I don't think I never saw that bird before. I was eating bananas. I'm gonna give it some watermelon, see if they go get it. Probably can't see it, but it's like right there in the bushes. See, he got quiet, but I'm gonna talk to him again. Watch. So I'll tear my watermelon up. I'm gonna see if he won't eat pieces. A little bit of this watermelon I got left. Yeah. Had a little conversation for a little minute here. I might have finished back eating my foodie on, you hear me? I'm about to work out. Yesterday I seen some hawks. At first I seen 3, then I think I seen like up to 11. And then before that I saw a cardinal. And I don't know what kind of bird that was. But I've been seeing, I saw 2 of them, but that's the first one that communicated with me today. You know what I'm saying? Out here in nature, you know what I'm saying? Eating. I had some oatmeal, I ain't gonna flex. That's the only thing I could say that wasn't like pure organic. And then I had bananas, I had guavas, and I had some watermelon. Then later on, I'm gonna eat some pineapple because it's ripe and I don't want the fruit flies to be tearing it up. So, I'm gonna eat that later. Yeah, man, y'all already know what the vibe is, man. 888 peace and prosperity. I'm gone.